Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we do have our first hands-on with the Galaxy Watch, and I really love the digital bezel. So this is a really cool way. It gives a haptic feedback when you swipe it around, and this was my biggest concern with moving over to this watch. Now, the Active 2 does have a smaller battery than the original Galaxy Watch with the bigger display, but it actually is a slightly bigger screen. We'll do a side-by-side comparison on another video, but I really do like the way it looks. It looks really nice, and I'll try to see if we can get the Under Armour version as well, but this definitely is standing out in all that it has, and I really like it. And I will say the screen's got a lot bigger. The bezel did get less, so that is nice as well. As you know, I wasn't a fan of the Active 1 because the bezel was so big, but now it's really narrowed down, and I really think it has a great set of features for it, bringing that digital bezel back. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you want me to review this watch? And if so, do you want me to review the bigger one or the smaller one? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.